Welcome back. Victory over Kerala in Ranji Trophy has kept Goa's quarter-final dream alive. However, the task to make the last 8 stage is not straightforward even if Goa win their final match against Andhra. That is because Goa must beat Andhra and hope for a favourable result from the match between Tripura and Jammu and Kashmir. Only top 2 teams will qualify from Group C and Goa is currently placed 4th in the group.
Goa have won 3 matches, drawn 3 and lost once in the Ranji Trophy this season. After failing to win a single match in Ranji Trophy 2012-13, this is a much improved performance by the state cricketers in a national first-class cricket championship. Former Sri Lankan Test cricketer Nuwan Zoysa, in his first season as the coach of Goa, has made an immediate impact and instilled the killer instinct in the boys. The way Goa fought back to win against Kerala in a nail-biting finish shows nerves of steel. The test awaiting Zoysa's boys now is to win against Andhra with a bonus point. Considering the match is in the home conditions, Goa will definitely hold an edge over their rivals. Goa will also need some help from Tripura, who take on second place Jammu and Kashmir in their last match. If Goa win and Jammu and Kashmir win or draw with the first innings lead, J&K will qualify. A bonus point for Goa and a draw for J&K will see Goa going through. But a normal victory for Goa but 3 points for J&K will result in both teams having same number of points. However, a better run quotient will mean that Jammu and Kashmir progress to the quarterfinals. Maharashtra have already entered the last 8 stage with a game to play, while third placed Himachal have finished their quota of matches and missed out on the qualification berth. Zoysa will have to fire up his boys for the biggest test of their careers yet. So far, they have responded well to the occasions. With a little bit of luck, the Goa boys could make history by taking the team to the Ranji Trophy quarterfinals for the first time ever. Bureau Report, Prudent.
The mega play on Sai Baba's life, Sabka Malik Ek Hai, has got tremendous response in Goa. Wednesday was the first show of the mega play. A 2-story stage has been erected at Mapsa for the play in which 182 artists will be performing. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar inaugurated the play on Wednesday. The play will be featured till 29 December.
मालिक है ना बेटा।
And with this, we come to an end of the news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.